In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private and ensure it's only accessible to logged in users. This process is straightforward and consists of a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage or the dashboard, which is pretty much the nerve center of your LinkedIn experience. From here, it's time to navigate to your profile. Look for your profile picture or the Me icon, which is usually at the top of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This option will take you directly to your profile page. Now, to adjust your privacy settings, you'll want to look towards the right-hand side of your profile page. Here, you should see a pencil icon next to the public profile and URL. Click on this pencil icon, as this will redirect you to the public profile settings page. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the public profile settings, you'll notice multiple options. Towards the bottom of this page, you'll see toggles that allow you to turn your public profile on or off. To make your profile private, simply toggle the switch to off. This will effectively turn off your profile's public visibility, ensuring that only logged-in LinkedIn members can view it. It's a shift from being visible to everyone to just those who are part of the LinkedIn network, adding a layer of privacy. Also, while you're here, it's helpful to note that there's another option. At the bottom of the settings page, you can choose to turn your profile back to public if at any point you decide you want it to be visible to everyone again. But for now, since our goal is to keep it private for logged-in users only, just make sure the All LinkedIn Members option is switched on. This setting ensures that while your profile is turned off to the wider public, it remains accessible within the LinkedIn network. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to making your LinkedIn profile private, exclusively accessible to those who are logged into LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated with our latest content, and click the bell icon to receive notifications for new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you maintain better control over your digital privacy.